Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing some coding with Beamer Code app and BMW. But before I get started, I just want to give a shout out to all my subscribers and everyone who has shared, liked, and passed it on. Officially past the 300 subscriber mark. I know it's not a lot, but not doing this as a daily vlog or anything, just doing it as a hobby, passion for DIY projects and a Beamer Code app, and other Audi OBD11 and so forth. So stick with me, subscribe, share, and let's get this going because I know I haven't been regular. My original plan was to do a video a week, but obviously I have slacked and haven't done it. So without further ado, let's get started. What I have today, what I want to do is basically when you're rolling up your front windows or your rear windows, if you open the door in the BMW, the windows stop rolling up. So let's say if I roll this window down, sorry for bad lighting, you'll notice I have it on auto, and if I open my door, it stops. See right now if I do auto, it stops. So we're gonna to shut this off, so from now on it doesn't do this. Same holds true for both front windows and both rear windows. This should be quotable in BMW X5, any of the X series, any of the 3, 4, 5 series, so any of the basically F series cars, you should be able to code this with the same setting that I'm going to show you. I have already used the OBD11, the iCar, flipped around. I'm still using the V-Gate, as you can see, the Wi-Fi. For some reason, I don't know if the developer did something, but it's definitely connecting a lot easier. And I'm not getting connection issues or errors like I was before about a month ago or so. I have the Beamer Code app loaded. I'm in body domain controller, but before I do that, let me record it so I can put on the side of my screen as well for you guys to see. 1 second. Record. Okay. Let's leave it here. Okay. Perfect. So what you want to do is you want to go to body domain controller, load up the Beamer Code app, connect to your Wi-Fi. I do recommend setting your display timeout for your iOS device or an Android device to at least 3 minutes or longer. The reason is when you load up your body domain controller, it does take some long time, as there are a lot of modules. So go into expert mode. Once you're in expert mode, look for 3050. Which happens to be PW client. Once you do that, you want to look for FH_TUERAUF stop MAUT, which is for your front windows, and by default this will be set to active, and what you want to do is set it to not active, which is a second option, NICHT active. So we set it to not active. We're going to click OK, and then we're going to go back out. So this was for the front ones. If you go to 3051, which is PW client rear, it's going to be your rear windows. Same one. The only difference is this one says stop _MAUT_rear. So you want to click on that. So I have selected those two. I'm going to click on code. It's going to give me an important note about coding and so forth. I'm going to code it. This might take some time as I've not done this before, and we'll go from there. So it's writing the coding data right now. It's almost complete. Restarting my ECU, so obviously I'm going to get all these lights, and my car did turn off, which is normal. So let it reset, and then we'll test the windows to make sure the windows behave how you're supposed to behave. Okay, so let me start my car up. For now I'm going to ignore these drivetrain errors and all the brake system errors. We're not worried about it. So if I roll my window down, it's rolling down. Now I'm going to set it to auto up, and I open the door and the window is still going up. If you had noticed, I wasn't able to do it. So here it is, all 4 windows. So by safety, how it was set up was when you roll the windows up, and you open the door, they will stop rolling up. So now coding this 3050 and 3051 PW client and PW client rare, I'm able to roll up all 4 windows while opening the door and so forth. So hope this works. Quick little small video. Stay tuned guys for further videos, and thank you so much. Like, comment, subscribe, and share. Thank you.